Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Note 9, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. Then click here to the gestures and now tap quickly open camera. So now by double press to power key, we just can only lock our device, and if you wanna launch the quick launch the camera app by double press to power key, we should only once click on the switcher. And now just let's try. Okay, so let's lock the device, and now we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.